and bringing all that perspective into light. We are shifting focus now. Nifty and Sensex opened in green on Thursday, holding on to the gains made during the previous trading session. Earlier, Nifty indicated a positive start of the benchmark indices, and Nifty had ended the session on a strong note after reclaiming the 26,000 mark on Wednesday, whereas Sensex ended early nearly 500 points higher. After NVIDIA results announcements, the investors will be closely tracking the performance of the Indian stock market, especially IT sector, stocks like Nifty, Infosys, Wipro, HCL Tech, etc. Joining us on this broadcast is senior economist Dr. Sharat Kohli to help us analyze this entire scenario. Dr. Kohli, a very good morning to you. Welcome back to the show. We want to understand, we are tracking the markets right now. They've all opened in green. Firstly, how is the NVIDIA announcement going to affect the stocks? And secondly, do we see this BSE Sensex rally actually going further? It's very short of that all-time high that it touched in September. It's very short of that, around 600 points shy of that. Do you think it touching that high again going forward?
The market is within striking distance of the all-time high. We track Nifty more because Nifty comprises of 50 stocks, Sensex comprises of 30 stocks. 26,277 was the all-time high. It is very, very close to that. Markets opened in green. As of now, the markets are about 40 to 50 points up. I'm talking of Nifty. I think the Indian growth story continues with all the rating agencies around the world giving India full marks, 6.5 to 7% GDP being projected for India. I think India is anybody's game right now. The FIIs, the foreign institutional investors and foreign portfolio investors, have been showing a bit of a mixed reaction. They turn buyers sometimes, they turn sellers sometimes. So despite that, we have reached this peak. In fact, the bank Nifty, which comprises of banking and financial shares, did touch an all-time high yesterday. So the Nifty is also heading. However, at this point of time, there are some resisting forces as well. There are some headwinds, some international factors. NVIDIA you spoke about, the results were fantastic. Quite contrary to what was being expected. There was an AI bubble which was being projected. But NVIDIA has shown good results. However, the AI investment around the world is still a bit alarming. I mean, it may not correlate to the actual fundamentals in the times to come. Those fears are there, geopolitical fears are there, American economy fragility is there. So I think there are two opposite forces acting right now. The international scenario is not as conducive to market surge as is the Indian scenario. The Indian scenario, so every time the markets look domestically, they start rising. Every time they take cues from abroad, apart from exceptions like NVIDIA results, they start going down. And the recent win of the NDA in Bihar is a referendum to the central government. So that has also boosted the sentiment, Shivani. So the markets are poised to cross all-time high. Of course, if there is a negative trigger or something untowards happens around the world, then of course you will see a different scenario. But with the things as they stand today, I think the markets are poised to touch all-time high. And investors who've been a bit depressed since September 24, right until September 25, for 1 year, the markets hardly gave any return. I think they have a reason to rejoice. They are heaving a sigh of relief that finally the markets have started moving. It has broken the all-important psychological, technical support of 26,000 as far as Nifty is concerned. And now it's trading well above 26,000. I hope there is nothing negative which comes in the way, which will stop the market from taking to all-time high, Shivani.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Dr. Kohli, for giving us that perspective in that issue.